Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to withdraw Cardano from Binance. It's easy to do this if you have an account on Binance, as it's a centralized exchange, so you're required to have a source of identification or an account. So guys, if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link in the description of the video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So you've gotten yourself verified on Binance. How can you go ahead to withdraw? Now head to the wallet section. At the overview or the spot, you could simply click on withdraw. And where we have the search for tokens option, simply search for ADA, which stands for Cardano. Click on Cardano, click on send via crypto network. So now you must have enough Cardano to withdraw and also cover the withdrawal fee, as most centralized exchanges have withdrawal fees attached to them. So all you need now is an address, a network, which is going to be the Cardano mainnet, and also the minimum amount to withdraw is 2 Cardano. So let's say you've got 200, you're going to be paying 0.88 tokens to withdraw. Now you're asked to provide an address. Go ahead and minimize. We have several Web3 wallets we can use for this video, but in this video we'll be going with Trust Wallet. So click on Trust Wallet, click on the search icon and search for ADA, which stands for ADA, which stands for Cardano as well. So all you need to do now is simply select the Cardano token once you've searched. So simply click on Cardano, click on receive, copy the address, head over to Binance, paste the address there, and click on withdraw. By doing this, you've successfully withdrawn your Cardano tokens from your Binance account over to your Trust Wallet. And all you need to do on Trust Wallet is a simple reload on the main menu, and you'd find your Cardano token here. So guys, that's how it's done. Comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.